For the first time, Australians have access to a rapid antigen test that can pick up 3 viruses in one go. It has just been approved by the TGA in time for what's expected to be a triple threat of infection this winter.
This rapid antigen test is like no other.
It's the first of its kind in Australia.
On top of COVID, the device picks up the flu and another concerning respiratory virus, RSV, which is equally contagious. Only one swab is needed and the results appear within 15 minutes.
We've got a 98% accuracy and sensitivity for the test.
It can detect influenza A and B. They're the most common causes of flu in the country. A single test costs $17. This 5-pack is $64.
A test that can pick up all 3, I think, will be a really big help in terms of trying to control all 3 viruses this year.
They wreaked havoc in the Northern Hemisphere during their winter. Australia is not immune.
And I do think it's likely that we'll see all 3 viruses co-circulate in significant numbers this year here.
Surveillance data shows that cases of the flu are surging. Experts say numbers are tracking the same path as 2019, which is one of the worst flu seasons on record.
At the moment, with testing mostly just for COVID, a lot of people are falsely reassured when that's negative.
The new test is approved for use in Australians over the age of 4 and will be available in the coming weeks in chemists, supermarkets and online.
In a few months' time, the test will be checked again to see whether they're still maintaining the level of accuracy.
A timely addition to a potentially turbulent season ahead. Gabriella Rogers, 9 News.